Two terms in research that are often confused are research designs and research methods. So what are they? How are they the same? And how are they different? A research design is an overarching approach to answering a question. Each one comes with predictable expectations and patterns. There are three common designs. They are qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods. Qualitative is, according to Morgan, inductive, subjective, and contextual. What that means is that you're forming new hypotheses or understandings from a specific situation, and the results of those findings depend on the values of the researcher and/or the subjects as they create meaning from the data that is gathered. Quantitative research is deductive, objective, and general. In other words, you take data, and from that data, you discover truths that were already there to be found. They just needed to be analyzed. And if somebody else came along behind you and analyzed that same data, they would find those same truths. And because it's repeatable, it's a more generalizable sort of situation. If you have the same situation somewhere else, you're going to get the same end result. Mixed methods is a newer research design. It takes both types, both the qualitative and the quantitative, and combines them together. Because it is newer, there's less acceptance for it, and you'll want to be very clear in defending why you chose to use both methods in the context that they're used and how they're serving a purpose there. The research design should be clearly stated, and the choices for selecting it defended in a dissertation. Research methods, on the other hand, are tools. They help you gather the data for finding the answers you're looking for. They usually fall under qualitative or quantitative. Some common qualitative methods are observing, open-ended interviews, case studies, focus groups. Some common methods for quantitative studies are surveys, data analysis, controlled studies, where you have one set doing one thing and one set doing another, and you compare the differences and similarities. Methods have common applications, but it all depends on how they're analyzed as to which actual design they fit under. So you could, for example, do an interview and assign numerical values to what was said and use that interview to do a quantitative study. So methods are usually in one area, but not always, of research design. So in summary, how are these the same and how are they different? Well, both design and methods are parts of research. Both come with varying types. Both serve distinct purposes by their types. They both have historical rules and expectations that others will be looking for when you do your research. How are they different? Methods are the detailed tools that carry out your larger design. Design itself does not produce data, only how to approach choosing methods by which to gather data. Design prescribes what the data will be used for, and methods are common to one type of design, but based on the analysis can be used for either design, and the analysis is dictated by the design that was chosen. Thank you.